Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever part of the world you are watching me from. How are you doing? Happy New Year to you. Today, I'm going to talk about a special brand of coffee. Yes, a special brand of coffee. You heard me well. Do you drink coffee? Oh, yeah, you do. Good. You are probably taking coffee for its caffeine effect, stimulating you, keep you awake, and some boost of energy. Coffee also contains antioxidants that help us fight free radicals from oxidative stress. It reduces one's risk of cancer and have anti-inflammatory benefits as well. But today, I'm going to talk about this special brand of coffee called Meet for Coffee from the Enterprises Next Level Wellness and Marketing Company. Have you heard about it? If not, listen carefully. This is a special brand of coffee, organic, made with 5 powerful herbs with the signature of your health needs in mind. What this means is it checks or ticks all the boxes of your health needs. This is so amazing, people, that by just sipping a cup of coffee, Meet for Coffee precisely, you will be slashing down your medical bills. Is that not wonderful? This is a massive benefit. Do you know how much you can save by not visiting the doctor for malaria, flu, pneumonia, prostate conditions, STDs, sexually transmitted diseases, male and female fertility, erectile dysfunction, just to mention a few? I'm not just saying this. There are loads of testimonials proving what is possible with this special brand of coffee, Meet for Coffee. We are no strangers to how erectile dysfunction, infertility, inability to have a child can strain relationships, strain marriages, even to the verge of breaking. Don't let your marriage break down for what you can control with just a sip from a cup. Meet for Coffee. Oh yes, all we see with this coffee, Meet for Coffee, is restoration of joy, peace, laughter again to homes and family. It can be your turn if you take the opportunity to grab a pack of our coffee and try it out. The taste of the pudding, they say, is in the eating. Grab a cup of our Meet for Coffee and you will see the difference. People have cancelled their fibroid operation surgeries appointments. Tell me why you need to spend millions of naira or thousands of euros for fibroid operation when you can get it off only with just about 50 euros or $50, because some people only use 1 or 2 packets of our special Meet for Coffee, and the next thing is boom, pregnancy is achieved. We have had testimonials of fibroid shrinking in sizes. Some others having it melted and flushing it out, passing it out naturally. This is massive, I tell you. Benign prostate hypertrophy, which is the enlargement of the prostate gland, shrinks, and difficulty with elimination or restored without surgery. Which will you prefer? Do operation which don't even guarantee you total freedom. Most times, we see that even the surgery does not solve the problem. You still have to go along with an indwelling catheter, carrying a bag with you everywhere you go, because the root cause is still there. Which will you prefer? Go for that operation or take a cup of meat for coffee and gradually sip the root cause away to correct it. Once a tree is uprooted, the leaves withers away. Our meat for coffee treats the root cause for the enlargement. That's why it is better. We have seen people with type 2 diabetes normalizing their blood sugar level. Are you not tired of pricking your fingers, checking your blood sugar daily or so many times a day? You don't have to lose your eyesight or amputate your limb, have kidney failure, hypertension, stroke, all these complications. You don't need to have them. So choose meat for coffee today. Click on the link below to contact for your order. Get it delivered worldwide to your doorstep. This is amazing. Probably you are there saying, I don't have any of those conditions that I have mentioned. I hear you. But you can use this coffee, use this meat for coffee to keep your health at the top notch. What is your guarantee that you wouldn't have these conditions tomorrow? So ensure your health and that of your loved ones with meat for coffee today. Remember, prevention is the best medicine. Click on this link now to order your own. Because in Enterprises Next Levels, we are breaking barriers. Yes, click the link below to get more information or make your order. This 2023, keep your health at the optimum. As you use it, you see the benefit, share to your loved ones, to your friends. Together, let's break our health barriers. And you know what? As you share the opportunity, you are also making financial gain. Together, let's break barriers.